Okay, going to do a video of inside the cab on this nice John Deere 3039R. I was just showing, it's got a little dust on the hood. The hood is real nice. This is all the exterior, and on top of the cab here, no issues or knocks. Just see a little surface scratch there right on the hood. That's the only thing I see. It doesn't even, you wouldn't even notice if it hadn't pointed out. But here you got the cab door. Door closes great, just like it should. And gonna climb in the cab here. It does have a latch on back if you do want to open the window for summertime driving. Otherwise, it does have nice working cold AC and heat. Here's the controls up there. Got a sun visor, a stereo radio which works. Here you got your brake pedal, hydrostatic pedals, loader control and hydraulic control arms, PTO lever and some other levers there. It does have a suspension seat. I weigh about 220 and feels nice to me. I'm going to do a cold start here. Door open right now. I'm going to close the door. There you go, so you can hear it. There's the throttle down here. There you go. We're going to do the last video next of it going down the road in road gear. Thank you.